Even Muslims. Yes, even the ones who say they believe in Allah, have forgotten the first miracle of every day. They wake up to an alarm. Maybe music. Maybe a news anchor shouting about a world in chaos. But they forget the one who gave them back their life. Do you remember what the Prophet Muhammad taught us? That sleep is a minor death, and waking up is a form of resurrection. Every night, your soul is taken, and every morning, Allah returns it, not because of your alarm, not because of your phone, but because He decided. You still have time left. But look what we've become. The first sound we hear is not the name of Allah. The first words we speak are not gratitude, not reflection. The first thought is the schedule, the phone, the noise. No praise. No remembrance. No pause to realize. We were just dead. No control. No memory. No strength. And then, suddenly, we're back. Our mind restored. Our body refreshed. Our soul reconnected. And still, we rush past it like it's nothing. But think about it. No doctor can bring you back from sleep if Allah doesn't allow it. No machine can restore your memory the way Allah does every single morning. And He does it all. Without a fee. Without delay. Without missing a single one of us. This is not just biology. It's mercy. And yet, we forget to say even one sentence the Prophet gave us. Alhamdulillahilladhi ba'da ma amatana wa ilayhin nushur. All praises for Allah, who gave us life after He caused us to die, and to Him is the resurrection. O Muslims! The morning is not just routine. It's a reminder that if Allah can return you from sleep, He can return you from death. So don't start your day with the world. Start it with the one who woke you up. Sheikh Touqeer Ansari, QuranExplans.com. If it reached your heart, let it reach another. Acknowledge it once, twice, then forward it forward. This message isn't just for you. It's for all of mankind. So don't let it stop with you.